Hello and welcome to another how-to video. This is a video to show you how to install your Geforce GTX 1070 into your PC. This is the box here, and this is the card itself, which I've already taken out of this box for you. I'm sure you can manage to open the box. Now, this PC itself already has a graphics card, so I'll first show you how to remove that graphics card and then install the new one. I would recommend placing your PC on a table, just so it's easier to get at. Now, the first step here is to actually take the side panel off, and to do that we need to undo these 4 corner screws. In fact, we might just be able to undo these 2 screws here. So you can use your finger and thumb to remove the one by one, and you can see Josh there in the reflection in the dressing gown. And what you do then is you just sort of pull it away. As you can see, that will then allow you to access the inside part of your PC. Now, the next thing, you need to identify the current graphics card. Now, if you're not familiar with PC insides, the best way of doing that is to actually look at the back and see where the HDMI socket and the monitor cable socket is as well. And you can see that there. Therefore, we have correctly identified here that this is the existing graphics card. Now, the next part of it is to actually unplug this wire here from the existing card. And what we're going to also need to do is, if you can see, I've actually just put on the flash on my camera, and as you can see, it gives us a better look at what we're actually looking at here. Now, this is the graphics card itself, and as you can see over there, it's connected to the motherboard into that PCI card socket there. So what we're going to need to do is disconnect this wire. Then we need to actually disconnect it from here, but before we do that, we need to undo these screws at the side, which is keeping the card in place. And to actually get at these screws, we're going to need to remove this blanking strip at the back. And to do that, I think we just do, again, finger and thumb, and we can just pull it out like that. Okay, and that allows us to get to what we need to unscrew. Alright, and handily, if that's a word, or usefully, if that's a better word, we can actually use, the thumb screws have been fitted here, so they can be used without the need of a screwdriver, unless it's extremely tight, of course. So that gives you an overview of what we're going to do to remove the card. Okay, and it's important not to let any family pets too near the electronics. Make sure they're on a lower level than where the PC is kept. But the first step, as I say, to removing the graphics card is to actually, you can see there's a little plastic tab here. What you need to do is just squeeze that in, so push that in and then pull it out like this.
I think that's how it works.
It should be how it works. Let's try it. Might need a little bit of jiggling. There we go. And it's now pulled out. Okay, so I'm just going to put that to one side. Now the next step is going to be to actually unscrew the side bit here of the card, which we do by, again, the very handy opposable thumb and finger motion. But this is actually quite tightly attached, so we're going to need a tool for this next step. Now, of course, to undo these screws, we need our trusty friend, the screwdriver. Now what we do is, as you may imagine, put the screwdriver into the screw and turn anti-clockwise. That's counterclockwise for our American friends. And we just keep turning until it comes out like so. Don't get them mixed up with the ones for the back of the unit, that would be silly. And then again on the bottom one, counterclockwise or anti-clockwise for our British viewers. There we go. Now you should be able to feel that it's loose. There we go. Now the next step is to actually take the existing card out, which for that we need to pull down the little catch and pull it out. So before you pull out your card, you need to push the tab down on the PCI card slot like that, and then just pull it out. Gently. That's it. There we go. Thank you, my able assistant. And there we go. This was the previous card. Now this is the this is the PCI card, the bit that goes into the slot. If you plan to reuse this or sell it, do not touch that because it will ruin the connections. Your fingers grease can damage the connections. So we'll put that one to one side and keep it safe for later use. Now the next bit is we need to start connecting up the new card, our Geforce GTX 1070. Okay. Now you're going to see here, there's actually a cover on the card, the PCI card connector. So that will protect it until we're ready to install. But you must take that off, obviously, before slotting it into the motherboard. So we're then ready to install the card. You'll notice that there is a protective covering there to protect the card when it goes into before it goes into the slot. We need to take that off before we plug it in. Also, this is upside down, so we need to actually turn it the right way up, like so. And we need to have a look at it. So you'll see that this is where the wire will be plugged into. However, this is an 8-pin connecting socket, and we only have a 6-pin here. But as you can see, there's another couple of pins here, which I think we should be able to use. So I'm going to use my trusty scissors to actually not cut through any wires, but to cut through this plastic, unless I can actually get it through there. Let's see. No, I think it's going to be easier just to cut that. Do we need to? Yeah, we do need to. Okay. So just bear with me. Now that we've cut off the cable tie, we've released the final 2 pins, and as you can see, this actually would just connect into there.
Fingers.
Okay. Like so.
No.
So the next part is we need to carefully take off the covering. Like so. Then we need to actually insert the card into the slot. Like so. And that's it. You heard that little click? That is the card now installed. So the next part is we need to then attach the screws and plug it in, and away we go. So the screw part, as you can see, yeah, it's the best way. It's like that. I'm just going to screw that in. So the card is now screwed in to the back plate, as you can see. I used our trusty friend, the screwdriver, to achieve that. And the next step is to actually plug in. Now, as you can see, to plug in the wire, as you can see, there is a slight shapiness to the wire and the socket, so you've got to try and get it in. Don't force it. That would be my advice. You've got to try and get it in so you can see that this one wouldn't go, so we put it in here. All right. Now I'm not going to click it all the way in yet because we need to also put this one in. Okay. Just let me, yeah. So 7 and 8 need to go in as well, like so, and then that's it. Yep, so with this part, I had to do the 2 end ones first and then the other 6. But as you can see, it's gone in cleanly. Everything is now connected and also screwed in. We need to then put this lovely back plate back on. the right way around would be helpful. Of course, every case may be slightly different in this regard, but that's how you do that one. Then we need to put the side plate back on. These don't really need the screwdriver, they don't need to be in as tightly as the ones that are keeping the card in place, but you can use the screwdriver on them if you wish. And now that we've plugged it in, you can see that it's all lit up nicely. Everything's working as it should. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And that's it. That's how to install the Geforce GTX 1070. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys.